Let him roll over by himself.
Hurry, okay, Carl? No. No, sir. Don't hit people. Okay? Mama.
What?
Gonna hit people.
He can't control his arms, sweetie. He can't control his arms. He's still learning.
He can hit us.
I know, but he's a baby. He's still learning.
Here. Okay? Okay? We're running to go time out. Remember? Can we go time out and bring it? Okay?
Okay.
We're running to time out. I have me time. You here. Where time out? To me. I'm good. Let's stay. Stay again. Mama.
What?
Who's gonna stay again?
He's gonna stay again.
Yeah.